Purezidenti Museveni abanza no kurambura inyerero z'abasirikari zabazirumwa abakazi ku rugo mu bitongore bye byo kwerinda mu ihanga kandi yabidumira Lieutenant Colonel Ivry Nasimwe. Abebembezi b'abakazi basime government ekozero kuretaho uburinganiza aha bugabe bwabo hamwe n'emirimo.
With the policy of UPE and USE, with the infrastructure that you have directed in the cabinet for the Ministry of Education to establish laboratory, to put in place textbook for UCC, to supply computer in secondary schools, that is the beginning point for us as a ministry.
Purezidenti Museveni yaashaba abanya-Uganda kwongera umutindaho amasharura gabo n'ikigenderwa cyo kubutura entasiyo mu maka gabo.
And food security. Because even when we say the government pays, the children should study free in the government schools, you hear them saying that children are coming at school without food now. So now, then these greedy teachers and their headmasters start now collecting money from people who have no food. If he has no food, where will he get money from? We must have lunch money. The issue of lunch should be solved at home. So you cannot have, this woman will not be a scientist, or you will not get many of them, you will get a few, but it is easier if the whole society comes up, gets out of non-money economy into money economy, then you will be able to get more scientists, both men and women.
Ogona yakenera kimwe muzigo kubaganisa mu evanja ecyari kugira ngo nicyo kikanyisa ubworo mu ihanga.
So these are the two offenses I am opening against the Abanya-Uganda. My appeal to the people of the Cattle Corridor are two. Stop fragmenting wealth when the head of the family dies. Share by amigable, not physical fragmentation. Secondly, grow pasture and other foods like maize, sorghum for the cattle. Do not just depend on what nature prepares. Use nature to do better for your family and for Uganda.
Purezidenti Museveni hona yayongera yizya abanya-Uganda hankora ya 4 acre model hamwe no kuhinjira amatungo gabe byo kurya.
The 4 acres model is part of what we call intensive agriculture. It is designed to benefit the country, but particularly benefit the smallholder. There are other products that the country needs, but do not fit in the intensive agriculture. They come in what is called extensive agriculture. Getting small income per acre, but doing it on a big scale. This is where maize, sugarcane, cotton, ranching, tobacco, etc. come in.
Purezidenti Museveni hona yakwasa abebembezi bazimwe mu districts z'ekyanga kya Burenje bw'izoba za check za sente ku rugo mu Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program. Kandi mu districts ezatunga harimu KIRUHURA miliyoni 308, Kamwenje miliyoni 201, Kasese miliyoni 707, Ibanda miliyoni 73, Kazo miliyoni 86 hamwe na Mushenyi miliyoni 203. Abakazi abakozere birukusimwa mu ihanga bahebwe medali kandi Honorable Mel Karoro Okrut niwe yahabwa umudaro mukuru ogwa Distinguished Order of the Nile ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.